What's up, everybody? It's Josiah here with Producer Noob, aka Josiah Music. Today is episode 2 of Bangers on a Budget, and I thought it would be dope if we sampled this time. So I came across this YouTube channel called AOA Music Library, and they basically post royalty free samples, and they're really fire. And they also have other content on their website. I'm going to link their Instagram and their website as well as their YouTube channel down below. Before we start, I'm going to play a little bit of the sample, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so now that you heard the original, this is how we're going to start off. The first thing I did was for the intro, I made it unique, of course, and I had a third unique one right here. But all I really did was pitch it down, reverse it, and normalize it. And so then it started to sound like this for the intro. Oops. There's a silence there right here. It's in between measures 9 and 8. So I filled it with just a reverse crash. And yeah, it sounds like this. Now it's about to play in regular with the pitch down. All right, and just so you can hear the difference real quick, um, this is what it sounds like without being pitched down, just so you can see the difference between the original and that one. It's not a major difference, it's just, yeah, just enough to be dope. It was already dope, but that's the original. Yeah, you get the point. But the next thing I did was I know Scalar is not free, and this is about free VSTs and stuff. But I just use it because I like the piano. I'm gonna have a tutorial video coming up on how to make stock plugin piano like Fruity Keys or whatever it's called, FL Keys. How to make it sound better and more realistic. I just use Scalar for this piano. And yes, I have the paid version of Scalar, but you could get a free trial for 30 days, so it's still technically free. And I just came up with this. All right. After Scalar, the next thing is this little drum right here that I looped. This is the original. Let me fix it real quick. So as you can see from what I just took off, the first thing I did was I time stretched it and I turned it down a lot and I had it faded. And so the original was like this. But yeah, like I said, I did all that stuff. And so that made it sound like this. I really like the panning because I like how it goes in and out my ears when I have headphones. The next thing is we'll move into the bass before we do any percussion. So for the bass, I just have this free VST. It's called Firebird, and I'm using their juice preset, and I didn't really do anything to it except raise the attack knobs a little bit. That's it. And I did this and I shifted it. But we all do this because the slide sounds nice. All right. After that, we could move into some. Well, let me show this vocal real quick. I had thought I did this in arcade, but I didn't. I just found this out of a random pack, and I guess this would be the name of it. Tired Delight's vocal, Aileen Valentine, whatever that is. I just found it out of a pack that I had. It's probably illegal, but I came up with this pattern for the vocal. Yeah. Okay, stop. All right, so going into some percussion, the percussion was probably the easiest part. All I did was like light drums. So this is the kick pattern. I know it looks weird layering it like that, but I thought it sounded dope. That's it for the kick. It's real simple for the drums. Hat. That's it for the hat. Do we have any others? I had some more. Here you go. We got this clap. And I layered the clap with a rim. All right. And I think that's it. Yep. That's all I did for this one. This is the completed beat. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that. This is Josiah Music with Producer Noob, and I'm out.